Hey guys, some of my favorite ideas for just art projects in general are just kind of like a taking off point. This is a book all about um, glasses. It's called The Making a Spectacle, Fashionable History of Glasses. So often I'll take like an idea like, okay, what if we did a project with glasses and things like what do goggles look like? What do glasses look like? What do binoculars look like? As a way to introduce other things like the face. Where are the eyes on the face? How does hair play into things? So we're going to use that as a way to start to think about self-portraits and things of that nature. This book is great because it's got fashion and weird stuff in it. So I might use some of the imagery from here just to kind of get their brains moving. So each week, when I'm trying to think of things in ways to bring up a kind of an aspect of design or art, I'm always looking for something that like kids can gravitate towards or not even realize that they know something about, and then go from there. And it's all about, for me, like little things to get them excited and thinking about art. Like sunglasses are one of those things. Everybody's worn sunglasses. It's something that you played with, your parents wear them. And then we can go into something like drawing and painting with an object from real life. And they're thinking less about what am I going to draw? Why doesn't it look the way I want it to look? And more like, oh, sunglasses. That's a great idea. So that's what we're going to do this week. I hope you have a great week yourself. Do some artwork, some creativity. See ya.